Hello, Dr. Lu. Welcome to my weekly update. Today, I want to show you the Python notebook work on Titanic dataset. So, here is my work. So, in the movie Titanic, actually, we saw that women and children were the first to board the lifeboats. So here is the work, and I wanted to show some work on some questions, something like we will use the data from Seaborn Titanic to see if there is any direct correlation with the with some matters, something like compared to man, did more women survive in the incident compared to adults, did more minors survive? So according to these questions, I wanted to show some hypothesis, something like the data is reflecting more women and children are surviving or not. So here is the structure of the dataset, and we see that the attributes and the type of the attributes, and we see that how many people survived, and the mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum of the survived age, and the other things. We wanted to see the first 10 structure of the dataset by using this code. Then we make the label named minor and adult, and to make the B in the population into minor and adult, and the next is the B in the population into age groups for graphing. So this label is indicating child, teenager, adult and elder, and we create a group, age groups, and then we wanted to see the first 10 structure of the dataset. Next, we create rough number generation to generate the support the hypothesis, and creating the group and make the percentage of the group size. So here is the graph of our data set. So I wanted to see the bar plot where x-axis is indicating the sex and the y-axis is survived. So so we are assuming that anyone now so from this bar diagram, there is a clear indication that females indeed it had a better chance of survival than males, and also from this bar diagram, minors had a better chance of survival than adults. So next I show the violin diagram. The hybrid violin and bar charts are especially effective in displaying how many more women survived compared to males. So the green volume is much larger than the blue. Although when it came to the minors, approximately equal males survived compared to females. So based on the conclusion, based on the data there that was available through seaborne, we can conclude that women and children indeed had higher chances of survival the Titanic disaster due to honorable decision made by the crew. And this is the work I wanted to show this type. And and there is the another bar plot that I wanted to work on. The x-axis is age group and y-axis is the survived. So and depending on the sex, so the male is indicating blue and the green is the female. So we see that in case of adult, female survived than the male. In case of child, female survived than the male child. In case of elder, there's a huge difference in male and female, that female has had very great chance to survive than the male, and also same happens on the teenager. So that's it. I wanted to show the work on Titanic dataset. Next time I wanted to show more work on this dataset. Thank you, Dr. Lu, for watching the video. Thanks.